Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable fitness app on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is go to your settings. Once that's open, just scroll down till you see screen time. Tap on screen time. Scroll down again till you see content and privacy restrictions. Once you've tapped on that, you will need to tap on the allowed apps and features right here. As you can see, there will be a list of apps or features right here. What you want to do is tap on fitness at the very bottom to disable or enable it. So I have mine currently enabled, and if I want to disable it, you just need to tap on the switch button right there. If you want to enable it, it's the same thing, just tap on it again. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.